Hello, we are on the Real Programming channel. My name is Andrei. This is our 7th lesson. I greet you. We will talk about the language of the web final. Let's go. So, HTML cross. It's time to sit back and give your left brain something to do. It's your standard crossword. All of the solution words are from this chapter. Sharpen your pencil. Solution. Go ahead and mark up the napkin using your pencil with any structure you see and add anything that is missing, not going to part of the web page. Add a page heading, this, a subheading, another subheading, more subheading. Markup magnet solution. Your job was to add some structure to the text from the Starbucks napkin. Use the friction magnets at the bottom of the page to mark up the text so that you indicated which part are hidden, subheadings, and paragraph text. Here's our solution. Left tower magnets. Exercise solution next. Here's HTML. Here's HTML displayed in the browser. Next. Yes. So here's CSS in the mission page. Now the style matches the main Starbucks page. Who does what? Exercise solution. And even though you've just glazed at CSS, you've already seen the beginnings of what it can do. Match each line in the style definition to what it does. As you can see. Now, let's open new chapter 2, going future with hypertext, meeting the HT in HTML. Did someone say hypertext? What's that? Oh, only the entire basics of the web. In chapter 1, we kicked the tires of the HTML and found it to be a nice markup language. The ML and HTML for describing the structure of web pages. Now we're going to check out the HT in HTML hypertext, which will let us break free of a single page and link to other pages. Along the way, we are going to meet a powerful new element, the A element, and learn how being relative is a growing thing. So fasten your seatbelts, you're about to learn some hypertext. Head first long, new and improved. Remember the head first long? Great site, but wouldn't it be nice if customers could view a list of the reflashing elixirs? Even better, we should give customers some real driving directions so they can find the place. So here is a new and improved page. The elixirs link point to a page with a full list of elixir selection. We've added links to 2 new pages and one for elixirs and one for driving directions. The detailed directions link leads to an HTML page with driving directions. Directions HTML. A page listens some refreshing and healthy drinks. Feel free to grab one before going on. Greeting the new and improved long in 3 steps. Let's rework the original head first long page so it links to the 2 new pages. Elixir HTML. The first step is easy because we've already created the directions HTML and Elixir HTML. Files for you. You'll find them in the source files for the book, which are available at html.wickedlysmart.com, htf, HTML, CSS. Next, you're going to edit the long HTML file and add in the HTML needed to link to directions HTML and Elixir HTMLs. Last, you give the pages a test drive and try out your new links. When you get back, we'll sit down and look at how it all works. Flip the page and let's get started. Creating the new long, grab the source files. Go ahead and grab the source files from HTTP, wikidismart.com, HF, HTML, CSS. Once you've downloaded them, look under the folder chapter 2 long. And you'll find long HTML, elixir HTML, and directions HTML, and a bunch of image files. Here's the current long file without links. You'll find the long directory here in your source files. All the long files are in the folder. 2 new files already written for you. Go ahead and take a peek. You already know everything you need to understand them. And here's all the images needed for our new and improved long. The head first long is already growing. Do you think that keeping all the sites files in a single directory is a good way to organize the site? What would you do differently? Edit long HTML. Open long HTML in your editor. Add the new text on HTML that is highlighted below. Go ahead and type this in. We'll come back and see how it works. It all works on the next page. Let's add and improve to the heading. Here's where we add the HTML for the link to the elixirs. To create links, we use the A element. We'll take a look for how this element works in just a sec. Now, please look on the screen. So, as we can see, we need to add some text here to point customers to the new directions. And here where we add the link to the directions again using an element. Save long HTML and give it a test drive. When you're finished with the changes, save the file long HTML and open it in your browser. Here are a few things to try. Click on the Elixir link and the new Elixir page will be displayed. Click on the browser back button and long HTML should be displayed again. Click on the directions link and the new directions page will display. Okay, I have loaded the new long page, click the links and everything worked, but I want to make sure I understand how the HTML works. What did we do? Let's step through creating the new HTML links. First, we need to put the text we want for the link in an element like this. Elixir, driver directions. The element is used to create a link to another page. The content of the A element is the link text in the browser. The link text appears with an underline to indicate you can click on it. Now that we have text for the link, we need to add some HTML to tell the browser where the link points to. The href attribute is how you specify the destination for the link. This and this. For the link, the browser will display the text elixirs that when clicked will take the user to the Elixir HTML page, and for this link, the browser will display a driving directions link that when clicked will take the user to the directions HTML page. What does the work browsers do? First, as the browser renders the page, if it encounters an A element, it takes the content of the element and displays it as a clickable link. Both elixirs and the detailed directions are between the opening and closing a text, so they end up being clickable text in the web page. Look on the screen, browser, this and this. Links. Use the A element to create a hypertext link to another web page. The content of the A element becomes clickable in the web page. The href attribute tells the browser the destination of the link. Next, when a user clicks on a link, the browser uses the href attribute to determine the page the link points to. The user clicks on the Elixir link or on the tail directions. When the tail directions is clicked, the browser grabs the value of the href attribute, in this case directions HTML. If Elixir was clicked, the browsers grab the href value Elixir HTML and display the Elixir HTML page and close directions HTML. And this is our 7th lesson over. Thanks for watching, my friends. Subscribe to my channel, please. Put likes, share with friends, comment, eat bananas, chocolate and nuts. Drink more water for the effective work of our brains. Bye.